23 is the 0521 Waterline service to Connolly. Calling at Eden Key, Faraday Road, West Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park and Connolly. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The train now standing at platform 1 is the 0522 Waterline service to Connolly. Calling at Eden Key, Faraday Road, West Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Ashland Park and Connolly. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The train now approaching platform 2 terminates here. Your attention please. The 0528 Waterline service to Newry has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The train now standing at platform 2 is the 0523 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea via Morganstown. Benton, Morganstown, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton City, Wester Coast, North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train. For the 0535 Waterline service to Farley. Calling at Eden Key, Faraday Road, West Benton, Cambridge Street Parkway, Airport West, James Street and Farley. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Access to Newry Harbour. Calling at Newry Harbour only. This train is full of 3 coaches. Calling at Eden Quay, Faraday Road, West Benton, Port Benton, Morganstown Docks, Whitney Green, and Greenslade. Due to a short platform, passengers for Morganstown Docks and Whitney Green should travel in the front 3 coaches. This train is formed of 4 coaches.